Welcome back to AsadTech Edge. On this channel, we bring you the latest insights into technology and innovation shaping the future. Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative advancements of our time, AI in healthcare. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we diagnose, treat, and care for patients, making healthcare smarter, faster, and more personalized. Let's explore how AI is reshaping the healthcare industry in extraordinary ways. AI's journey in healthcare began with the vast amounts of data generated daily from medical records to diagnostic images. This data is the foundation of AI's ability to unlock insights that were once impossible to achieve. One of the most significant impacts of AI is in diagnostics. AI algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans far more quickly and accurately than human doctors. Often these systems detect subtle patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. For example, AI has proven to be a game changer in detecting early-stage cancers, heart disease, and neurological disorders, enabling timely interventions and improving patient outcomes. In addition to diagnosis, AI is transforming treatment planning. By analyzing a patient's medical history, genetics, and lifestyle, AI can provide personalized treatment recommendations tailored to individual needs. This ensures patients receive the most effective therapies available. AI is also making waves in surgery, where advanced robotic systems assist surgeons with intricate procedures. These systems enhance precision, predict potential complications, and reduce the risk of human error, leading to faster recovery times for patients. During surgeries, AI-powered assistants can provide real-time support, flagging critical information and guiding surgeons step by step to improve outcomes. AI is reshaping how patients access healthcare. Virtual health assistants powered by AI are becoming more common, offering instant support for non-emergency issues. These assistants can answer health-related questions, provide medication reminders, and help patients manage their care more efficiently. AI's predictive capabilities are also proving invaluable, as it can analyze extensive data to identify potential health risks before they occur. For instance, AI can predict the likelihood of developing chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease, enabling early interventions that can prevent or delay serious health issues. Wearable devices and mobile apps powered by AI are enhancing patient monitoring. These tools track vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, and sleep patterns in real time, empowering both patients and healthcare providers to make informed decisions rather than replacing healthcare professionals. AI is becoming a trusted partner, helping doctors and nurses focus on what matters most, providing compassionate and personalized care to their patients. AI is also revolutionizing medical research. It accelerates drug discovery and the development of new treatments. By analyzing complex biological data, researchers can now screen thousands of compounds quickly, significantly speeding up the process of finding life-saving medications and therapies. The collaboration between AI and human expertise is the cornerstone of modern healthcare. While AI excels at processing vast amounts of data, it is the empathy, intuition, and experience of healthcare professionals that ensure the best outcomes for patients. Together, AI and medical professionals are shaping a brighter, healthier future. If you found it insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about cutting-edge technology and innovations. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed. If you want to see the future technologies, AI tools you can watch, AI-powered gadgets, watch by links given in description. Thank you for watching this video on AsadTech Edge.